Now I will show you how to set up a public door. For example, for a building or for the whole hotel, then allow all the guests within this hotel floor or the full hotel to get access along with their guest card. So let's jump to the software. We will make an installation card for it and set it up just as we configure other type of rooms. So firstly, jump to door lock settings. Here, right? I didn't add the room information yet. Let's add a few rooms. Alright. Okay, so we have a bunch of room lists in here. So by default, if we want to make for room installation card, we can simply go to this issue card, but we are going to call out another feature in here. Right click the small triangle, and now we will see three extra options in here. One is floor lock, one is building lock, one is hotel gate lock. So it is three levels of public doors we can choose from. In this video, we are going to use a building lock for one specified building, and if that lock or an access control is for a hotel gate, we need to choose to hotel gate lock. So let's choose issue building lock. Now the menu is popping up, so we can see our room building list in here. It's also the same for the floor locks. So choose the building we want to set up and then click issue card. Remember to put the card on the encoder. Let's see the information shows in here. It's installation card, lock number. Let's see that in here. Detail is lock number is 100. That means it is a public lock. Building is 1, and the 2 zeros. And the 2 zeros, that means the room is not specified. It is a public lock.